Hi traders, Anthony here, just taking a look at the NASDAQ, the NAS100 here. Right, I mean the thing that jumps out at me is this low and how many times we've traded down to this level, rejected, bounced back. I mean, I'm definitely looking for the opportunity to short this. I mean, we can see how the market's really leaning over here. Right, so just waiting for the opportunity to jump in. So at the moment, in terms of like the 4-hour chart, we have this center line here, the mean. I'd be looking for movement back into the mean, and then I want to see this rotate, and then I'll be looking for the trade out of the rotation for that. And then the other possibility is, you know, it just rolls over here, and I'll be looking for break and retest of this low pretty much, and that'd be another entry short. With that in mind, you know, I mean, look, this could trade in any direction. You know, we could see a pullback. There's a bit of a price gap above here. We can see through here. Okay, so we've got this daily level, weekly level, and back through here, daily levels. All right, so we could flick that through, and that's a key level right there. Okay, so we could see the pullback retest, and I like an opportunity. You know, the further back we pull into the mean here, and then we start to see it rotate. Yeah, I mean that's an ideal setup for me. So with that in mind, we can head down to the lower time frame and look for the opportunity. So we've got the daily. We can see more or less a kind of a head and shoulders setup here. We've got the 4-hour, get a bit closer to the action, and then on the 30 minute, well, I mean, if I open this up, have a look at our multi-time frame. So we're bearish on all time frames, and I'm looking for an opportunity to trade with the trend pretty much. We've got pullbacks, retesting this diagonal, and we've got a little bit of room to move. I think, no, we're right on it. So yeah, this range over here, so retesting these lows. So this is the key area for me right here. And look how the market trades to these levels. Isn't it incredible? I love it. All right, so this, I think, for me is the crossroads. And then if we go down to the lower time frame, I'll be looking for this on the hourly, on the 1 minute chart. Just got a bit distracted, sorry about that. So see how this is starting to rotate here? I'm looking for, and I'll show you what I am looking for. I'm looking for a breakout. This kind of a signal here is the thing, this guy. I'm looking for that. I want to see this breakout signal. And what that will give me, if we pick up momentum here, notice we have this range. Let me just pull that through here. Okay, so we've got this range here, and then we have this down here. Now if momentum builds, we've got this diagonal, we've got this horizontal daily pivot here, we've rejected here. All I need now is, I think, a break of this low here. That could get me in. That could get me interested, and we might see, you know, one of these breakout signals. See how we had this break here, breakout, so we get the breakout signal. Okay, we had a break of this range here to the upside. There's a green break. I want to see this. I want to see the breakout, retest and fail, and I think that could be my cue to look for a short on the NAS100. Okay guys, I mean that's it. Look, check the link below the video in the description. Go to my website, go to my YouTube channel, have a look at my videos. I'm uploading a number of videos daily, and yeah, good value. With that, hope you have a great day, safe trading. See you in the next one.